Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Facebook Lite and go straight to Settings so we can remove two-factor fast. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Once inside, look for Security and Login. This is where two-factor lives. Make sure you have the account password and access to the recovery phone or email. Facebook may prompt you to confirm before showing two-factor options. Do this now so you can move to the verification step without delays. You'll now find Use two-factor authentication in the security settings. Tap it to see active methods. If SMS is active, you'll see your phone number. If an authenticator app is used, it will show that method. Select the active method you want to turn off and follow the on-screen prompts. Facebook often asks for your password or a code sent to the registered device. Enter that to prove it's you. Once confirmed, the option to disable will become available. You can now choose Turn Off for the selected two-factor method and confirm the action. Facebook will warn you about reduced security. After disabling, make sure to save changes and verify you can log in normally without a secondary code. If something goes wrong, for example, you can't access the phone or authenticator, use saved recovery codes or try the recovery email. If you still can't, contact Facebook support from the Help Center and follow their account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.